Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change network property of connection on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to change network property of connection on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First simply go to start, type here control panel, open control panel, click on categories, click on large icons. Click on network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings, and after select internet and right click on properties. Check this box. After select and click on properties, click on advanced and uncheck this box. Click on type here 10. After click on OK. Click on advanced and uncheck this box and type here 10. Click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change network property and connection on Windows 10 PC and laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video with full output. Thank you for watching.